Hey guys, good morning. I've been up since 8 a.m. It's 9:20 now because I have some important work to do today. I have to head to my family home and do some work there. So I called my house help. Otherwise her time is 9. Today I called her at 8. So yeah, she's done. And I need to figure the schedule out. Today's schedule is a bit topsy-turvy and it has to be fluid because I need to figure out this thing out, right, which I need to work on. I need to figure out. Otherwise, there are two shows tonight. Friday, Saturday, Sunday gonna be busy days, and the two shows, 9 and 11. Tomorrow and day after again I've kept morning gym, so it's gonna be like hectic because I'll sleep late and I'll wake up early. I've called the house help tomorrow also at 8. Let's see how the day goes. Right now I have no clarity of the schedule because there's stuff I need to figure out and people are not picking calls. What the fuck do people not pick calls? Like if people pick calls, like so much would get clarified immediately. Nobody calls anybody these days. Like if I call people, it's because there's something to talk about and people don't pick calls. It's fucking irritating. So let's see how the day goes. Right now I have no clarity in terms of the schedule, but let's see how it goes. Cool. You guys have a good day and hope you're feeling happy. Hey guys, I'm in the Gurgaon post office. This is the main post office. Pretty busy, like all government departments. And but I had a query about a parcel that I'm tracking, and this lady helped me. She directed me to NDC post office, and I called that guy, picked up the call, and I'll figure out. Either I'll receive the parcel at home, or I'll either receive the parcel at the NDC post office. I don't know. I still don't know my schedule. Okay guys, this is Sadar Bazaar, Gurgaon. I spent a lot of time here as a child. This is where I spent, like, this is the main post office, and this is the Sadar Bazaar. It's one single lane, and Sadar is an Urdu word I recently figured, and it means I don't know. I forgot what Sadar means, but I spent a lot of time in this bazaar. There's a famous Sardar Jalebi wala here, right at the corner, and he's been here all his life. And I've eaten a lot of jalebi from Sardar Jalebi wala. It's as congested as ever, but yeah, that's where I spent a lot of my childhood. My school was also where I spent nursery to 10th. I was in one school, and it's also pretty close to the space. So yeah, that's the main market in Gurgaon, in Old Gurgaon. Cool. Well, this is a juice shop where I had a lot of juices. It's called Vishal's. Why is the camera blurred? Yeah, I had a lot of juices here for years. I'm gonna have a juice now. Alright guys, this is Old Gurgaon. I spent a lot of this Sector 4 market. Fucking I hate nostalgia. I don't like nostalgia. I need to get rid of my past. My past is dead, right? I don't want to live in my past. I mean, there used to be another shop here. There's Own Sweets here right now, but there used to be another shop in this market. It used to be the coolest market in the whole of Gurgaon. When I was growing up, Gurgaon wasn't this big yet, and the new Gurgaon did not exist. This used to be one of the coolest markets when I was a child. Sector 14 was the coolest. This was probably one of the coolest. And I don't live here anymore. I need to bury my nostalgia, man. I just don't like nostalgia. I don't want to visit my past anymore because it's dead forever. This is where I grew up, guys. This is the room where I spent a lot of my childhood. Most of my childhood, I used to sleep here in this bed. Even when there was no electricity sometimes, because there used to be a lot of electricity shortages as a child. I used to sleep here. Even as an early adult in my 20s. I spent a lot of time in this house. In this room. This is my room. I need this picture. This is the drawing room. There's a sofa and there's a TV. I spent a lot of time watching a lot of shit on this TV. On this TV or the previous TV. When I was in school or I was in college, there used to be a channel. I don't want to name it. Screw it. A Russian channel. That's the room, man. There used to be a divan here. और दीवान हट के यहाँ पे दूसरा सोफ़ा आ गया. उस दीवान पे भी बहुत सोया हूँ. बचपन में like in my first job I lost a phone and somebody snatched my phone. I was just walking on the street and I was lying here. Papa bought me a new phone the next day. यहाँ पे मैंने गूगल का ऑफर रिजेक्ट किया था. I was sitting here on the divan and मैंने गूगल का ऑफर रिजेक्ट किया था. I said मैंने यार मुझे कैट की तैयारी करनी है. And there's room at the back, that side of the door. Yeah, door बंद हो गया. That's the door that leads to the kitchen and the back side veranda. And there's a room there. वहाँ पे मैंने कैट की तैयारी की थी 5 साल. I hate nostalgia, man. Nostalgia अच्छी जगह नहीं है. What's the point of all this? Anything I'm saying now? Because it's past and the past doesn't matter. कुछ खोना है कुछ पाना है जीवन का खेल पुराना है जब तक ये सांस चलेगी प्यार आए तो चलते जाना है. Hey guys, I'm still at home, 6 to 7. I'm waiting for a speed post and it's been the whole day. The whole day is gone in this nonsense. I coordinated with the guy in the post office today. At about 11:30, he said he'll let me know about 12:15. What is the thing with the parcel or packet, whatever it is, and that disappeared. The problem with these government departments is that, and there's no number to call. That guy's not taking the call, and I called him multiple times to requesting for the number of the guys supposed to deliver the post, and he's not taking the call now. So much inefficiency. So I've been waiting for the last about 2 hours. I've had some food this morning. Thankfully, I had 1.5 paratha and I had some lauki with that and some dal. So some carbs and protein. And after that, I had a banana shake, which is fine. And then I had lassi, which was not good. It was good as far as lassi is concerned, but I had tons of sugar. Like it was like a balti of sugar in one glass of lassi. I know the fuck is with people. Yeah? Why do they put so much sugar and stuff? That's not the point though. I'm just waiting. I've been waiting the whole day. And this AC in the room is not working. It's hot. And this AC is not working. So I'm lying in current heat. I hope this comes because I have to hit the gym session. I have a dance session 5:30 and I wanted to hit the gym before that. So I hope I can get free by at least 3 o'clock. It's 3 already. The clock is already 3. So 3:30 if I get free, I get back to sector 54 by 4 hopefully. And then I can hit the gym about 4 to 5 and then hit the dance class at 5:30. But the guy is not coming. The parcel guy is not coming. I mean, I met the postman, but the postman didn't have the parcel. The parcel guy is a different guy. Oof. Yeah, I have to wait. So whatever. Hey guys, just got back to sector 54. The whole day I went waiting for a document I was waiting for. It was from the post office and the guy said he didn't have my number. I mean, he couldn't call me and he had several parcels to give. So whatever. I mean, it's been not a fun day. But yeah, that's where my life is. There are days which are going to be a part of my life and there's nothing to do about that. So I'm hungry now because the last meal I had was at about 10 something in the morning, and after that I had only had a banana shake, and I had a lassi after that, but I haven't eaten anything really since about 10:15. So it's about 8 hours since I haven't eaten anything. So I just ordered a grilled chicken burger. And after that I'll see if I go to the gym or not. I may or may not. I cancelled the session at 5:30. I booked one at 7:30 tentatively, so I feel like I might go. It's a dance session. Yeah. Okay, cool. Hey guys, good evening. Whatever time of the day you're watching this, I'm heading for the show, the 2 shows tonight. I'm a bit late because I ran back from Sector 7. Then I thought I cancelled the gym at 5:30. I was supposed to do gym and dance, but I cancelled the gym at 5:30. After that, I had chai and I rested for a bit, and then I didn't know what to do. I wasn't feeling well, but then somehow I mustered up the courage and the energy to whatever. I just like pushed myself to head for a dance class. So I did one dance class, 7:30 to 8:30, and that's why I'm late. Because I came back about 8:40 and then took a quick shower, and then ran to Rapid Metro because I didn't want to drive today. I drove a lot today, so I didn't want to drive today. So I rushed to Rapid Metro after the shower. So it's 9 right now, 9 p.m. and it's showtime baby. So the metro's come now. Metro's here. Here's the metro. So it's here, and I'm heading to the metro. I'm heading to the show. I'll run to Sikandarpur, and then I'll come back somehow. I'll take something. I'll take an auto or a cab or something while coming back. But I'm not driving. Alright, bye. See you later. Hey guys, hope you're feeling happy. I'm in the middle of the show right now. I'm hosting the show, and it's going kick-ass. Everything that I'm doing is doing great. I have a great bond with the audience right now. They are talking to me, they are laughing with me, they're literally cracking jokes with me. Like there are a couple of girls here, and they've come to watch comedy for the first time, and but they visit the cafe, right? And one of them just said, like, when I started the show, that you were wearing what you're wearing 2 days back. I'm like, dude, you watching the show for the first time. She's like, हम बाहर बैठे थे और कैफे में परसों और आपने ये कपड़े पहने हुए. Which is a lie, right? I don't agree with that because I keep changing what I'm wearing, the best. Like, she like, आपने मैं भी वही 5 दिन से वही jeans पहन रही हूँ. मैंने कहा, bro, मेरा same नहीं है. I wash my vest. What the fuck, man? So it's fun, and all my jokes are cracking. It's crazy. Comedy heals me, right? I mean, there are times when I have a bad day, and the rest of the day hasn't been that great, right? Dance was great today. In the evening, I'm happy I gathered the energy to go for the dance class. I kicked ass, right? And I'm improving as a dancer. And so comedy heals me, right? And dancing heals me. I know what heals me. Obviously, there's stuff which is painful, which I'm dealing with alongside, but I know comedy heals me, I know dance heals me, I know running heals me, I know moving heals me. So yeah, and but I need to work on stuff to like figure out what will resonate more with people, because I need to keep myself afloat while I do stuff that makes me happy and what heals me, right? So I need to figure that out, which I will do it. Hope I do it in time before I sink. I hope I don't sink or drown, right? I think objects sink, people drown. That's the right English. So cool, I'm going to enjoy the show right now because it's going great. And yeah, cool. Okay, I'll review the whole day later in the day review. But so far, at this point, I'm happy. Most of the day was like not very happy. But right now, at this moment, I'm happy. Hey guys, the day review. I'm going to share it auto right now, but there's nobody to share it with me. That's the driver. But the day was overall lousy, not happy. The overall day was not happy, but partly I made it happy, right? That's the thing, right? If you are 50% of the day is not happy, you can still try and make the rest of the 50% I'm happy. The rest of the 50% doesn't have to suffer because of the first 50%, right? So I managed to hit the gym in the evening. I did a dance class, and that made me happy. Then after that, I hit the show. Two shows. My first show was easy because the audience was really good. The second show was hard because the audience was a little tough, but I managed to make them laugh. So obviously, I'm feeling pretty satisfied with that. I don't want to talk about the first part of the day because whatever I did, I had to do, but it wasn't the happy part of the day. Yeah, that's gonna last a while, so that's fine. But I'm just gonna reach home in the next 10 minutes. I also, my base of weight has gone down to 60.9 and I have to hit 58 by the end of June, so I think I'll hit it. I'm positive I'll hit it. Alright, I'm shaking because it's fucking auto and it's jumping. But alright, good night guys, bye.